Hey everybody, so one thing that you'll see in April of 2023 that's new in the Bronco kits, we're starting out with them first, then we'll integrate them into the Jeep sets, is on the folding top, we're including spin handles. These metal handles that will go over a PEM stud and spin underneath the side frame. So this way you can eliminate the rear quick release pins and the middle quick release pins with having a spin handle. Makes it easier to reach in, spin them off, so you can lift the top, fold it out, pull it out completely. We're still going to use the quick release pins in the forward location because it gives us a pivot point, and the same thing with the wall at this time. So this is how these go on. So what you'll do is you'll take one of the supplied washers. You'll notice that there's a round edge and a flat edge. Put the round edge down so it doesn't dig into the powder coat, and then set the handle right in place like this. And then you're going to take two washers, do the same thing, put the two rounded edges against each other so it spins easy. Put those down, grab a 1/4-20 standard nut, the nylock nut. These are what come in the package with the spin handles. And you're going to put this down into place, tighten it up, just snug, not overly tight. You don't have to torque it because you can damage it. So this way you've got the ability for it to spin. Mine's a little hard, stiff right now, but that's okay because that makes it easier to where it doesn't spin when you're driving on rough roads. So figure out how tight you want those to be, and you'll see that this locks into place just like that underneath the frame. So this is the installation of the spin levers on the folding removable top.